Hey everyone, this is Utkarsh Mishra of class 7B from a wonderful platform of MCA Public School, and here I am standing to express my topic light and its type. You know what is light? I explain you to what is light. Light is the thing that help us to see in a dark light. If ever we are in a dark room, light help us to see whether what is the thing in the front of you or at the backward of you. So light is also divided into many types. The first one is luminous object. You know what is luminous object? The thing that emit light. The emit means that the things that the object that give out the light, that means that emit light, this is known as, it's come into the classification of the luminous light. And the second object that is non-luminous. The non-luminous are the object that doesn't emit, that means that they doesn't give the light, so they are come into the classification of the non-luminous object. Luminous object is also divided into two parts, two categories. That first one is natural and man-made. That is, natural are the that types of the things that emit light and they are get by us. They are the natural things. And the second is man-made. Man-made things are the that types of light that give us light, and but they are made by humans. For example, the light bulbs, the ring lights are the example that come into non-made. The next we are going to talk about is there are several objects that are divided with the classification of light, that how if the light passes through. So what are they called? If doesn't passes through, what is that called? The first is, that is, here I am going to describe only two that are the most main part of the object that are divided or categorized into the parts of light. The first one is transparent. The first is transparent. Transparent object. Transparent object, that type of object. For example, we take that it is a, suppose it is a glass, and if any light is comes from this, suppose this is luminous object and it's emit light. If the light is passes through it, so this is known as transparent object. Otherwise, if any object that emit light, but this is not the only major portion, a small portion goes out, very small portion, so this object come into the criteria of translucent. Translucent object. So you here we know that if any things or object that emit light, that passes light in a very small quantity, so it is known as the translucent object. That's all. Thank you.